teacher got falsely accused for sexual misconduct in the school and got arrested for it. Have a listen.
There was a teacher I read about that somebody had started sending messages from a Facebook account with his name, sending it to girls in the class, that sending messages, right? Ooh. Explicit messages. He got put on administrative leave for, right, that it must be sexual misconduct, kind of, right? And he's going after these young high school girls that he's a teacher of. They were able to track the IP address of where it all originated from. It actually came from a girl, one girl in his classroom. She didn't like the grade that she got. So what this guy had his Facebook profile, it was open at the time. She basically made a clone of it through all the pictures and made it look exactly like it.
Oh my gosh.
And was messaging.
Wow.
So this guy got
what a little nightmare.
Yeah. He got put in one of those like almost like rubber rooms that was in downtown.
This is probably one of the scariest things that can ever happen to a great teacher, like falsely accused of something they didn't do. Not only they got to do with the marking, the planning, the teaching, the behaviour, the excursions, the extra. Some teachers have been made to do extracurriculars as well after school and in school. At lunchtime, they get a smidgen of time for their break. But when another student falsely accuses you of something, it's really scary. And that actually happened to me. I was into school. I got called into the child protection office, the safeguarding office. And me and this lady got on really well. And she read it out. Dale was in the East gym with me, pushed me to the floor. He told me to push him over. I never forget it. He told me to push him over. And I couldn't. And then I tried again. And then he did. Then I fell on top of him. That was it. And I said to the lady, I was just like, well, that's and I was so angry. I was so angry through fear, because anybody can say anything these days and they have to take it seriously. And I get that, because there are a lot of weirdos out there. But the thing is, that really freaked me out. And I said, get the video cameras right now. On that, what time was it? She told me the time. Get the time, and I want you to find out. Morning, ladies. Morning. And I want you to look where exactly I was on that time. Here's my timetable. I was outside on the field doing rugby with the year 8s. Have a look at that now. I'm not going anywhere until this gets sorted right here, right now. I was livid. If you're a teacher, have you gone through something similar at all? And if you're allowed to share, it'd be really cool to hear it, just to support the teachers.